Welcome to this BackupAssist instructional video for end users. How to get started with BackupAssist ER. Craig here with the Client Success Team, and I'll be your guide today. During this brief video, you will learn what BackupAssist ER is and how to install and register BackupAssist ER. Let's get started. BackupAssist ER is a backup and recovery product that provides cyber resilience for your data and business. This means it not only protects your files and servers, it also helps your business recover from adverse cyber events such as hacking, ransomware, and malicious cyber attacks. BackupAssist ER was designed from the ground up with these threats in mind and provides cyber resilience through the implementation of features such as ransomware detection, layered protection, image to the cloud, and zero-knowledge encryption. Now I'd like to explain each one. Layered protection. Our best practice disk-to-disk cloud backup job creates a fast local backup, then it replicates that backup to the cloud destination. The local backup is easy and quick to use for file, application, and full system recoveries. Having a backup in the cloud means you also have an offline copy of your data that is insulated from cyber threats such as ransomware and hacking. CryptoSafeguard is a built-in feature that protects your backups from ransomware by scanning the data to be backed up for possible signs of ransomware. If a potential infection is found, all backup jobs are blocked from running. CryptoSafeguard also prevents unauthorized processes from creating, deleting, or updating data in your backups. We also offer zero-knowledge encryption. When you back up to the cloud, your cloud provider will encrypt your data for security. BackupAssist ER provides an additional layer of vendor-independent encryption before the data is sent across the internet. This means the data is protected through the entire process. Your cloud provider cannot see your backup files, and your data is protected even if your cloud provider's encryption is compromised. BackupAssist ER has Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Wasabi integration right out of the box. This means that each of these popular cloud solutions has their own destination configuration screen within BackupAssist ER. And to make it even easier, we provide companion setup guides for all of them as well. We've also provided flexibility in backups, because every backup is an incremental image backup that can be used in a bare metal recovery. All backup jobs are VSS aware, so application consistent backups are created when backing up Microsoft VSS applications and databases. And if you have backups of servers that no longer use BackupAssist ER, or if a server that BackupAssist ER is installed on is no longer available, any other BackupAssist ER installation can locate those backups and use them in a recovery. Our imaging engine creates reverse incremental backups, so the latest backup is always the full backup. This means recoveries are faster to run and you are freed from relying on backup chains. If a backup is interrupted during the critical reversal process, it will be repaired by the next backup. BackupAssist ER also has very low impact image to cloud backups. Your live server data is only used to create the fast local backup. The local backup is then replicated to the cloud destination by the same backup job. This means the backup window is minimized, and sending the image over the internet to the cloud has no impact on the live server's availability. This is also a very efficient image to the cloud. When the local backup is replicated to the cloud, it is compressed and deduplicated, minimizing the data that needs to be transferred. The image is also sent in managed chunks so that any interruptions do not endanger the integrity of the data, and you can throttle the transfer speed to minimize any impact on your network. Now let's install BackupAssist ER. The first screen you see will present you with the BackupAssist End User License Agreement. Once you've read the agreement and would like to proceed, select I accept the terms of the license agreement and click Next. The following screen will ask you to confirm or change the installation destination. If you would like to install BackupAssist ER to a different location to the one shown, use the Change button and browse to the required location, and then select OK and click Next. The next screen will give you a chance to go back and modify your selections, then click Install. BackupAssist ER will now begin to install on your computer. Once BackupAssist ER has been installed, a completion screen will be displayed. Click Finish. Note, a reboot will be required if you are installing BackupAssist ER on a computer that does not have an earlier version of BackupAssist ER, or if any system or framework files need to be installed. Now you can open up the ER application on your computer, and you will be greeted with a registration screen. The credentials required are the email that you used to complete your purchase and the temporary password that was sent along with your registration. We look forward to seeing you next time for creating your first local and cloud backup jobs. Congratulations, BackupAssist ER is now installed. This concludes what is BackupAssist ER and how to install it for end users. If you have any questions or require personal assistance, please feel free to contact us by email at sales@backupassist.com or call Client Success directly at 1-812-206-1691. Please look for additional Backup Assist instructional videos, including setting up local and cloud backup jobs, as well as setting up notifications and email reports. We appreciate the opportunity to earn your business and to serve you. Thanks for watching and have a great day.